Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment, say happy Wednesday, happy 26th. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to the story of today. Guys, when it comes to your relationships, do not involve your parents. I don't care how happy you are, guys. So we all know that tomorrow it is the big day. It's September season 4. It is coming back on Mzansi Magic 8 o'clock. Be ready to defend your favorite, guys. So today Utirela, she was alive and people were asking her to say, why are you not involving your parents? We have never seen your mom or your dad. Utirela, she was like, my parents, they don't even watch it in September or Eternal December. They don't care what is going on about my love life. I don't involve them, because the next thing, I'll ask advice from my mom and my dad. My mom will probably say, leave that man, he doesn't love you. And we as abafazi, guys, see my man, you will go and tell your man what your mommy or your dad has been saying about him. So guys, you need to be very careful. Terelo, guys, she might not be perfect, but trust me, she's a very smart woman. I think for Terelo not involving abazali bakhe, not us knowing abazali bakhe, it was the best move, guys, for Terelo, guys. She's doing as well for herself without involving abazali bakhe, guys. So guys, I saw the trailer is in September season 4. Umayeni, she was busy noMpumela to say ungangifaki emjolweni wakho, guys. It seems like kule season uMpumela will also involve Umayeni, guys. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.